Here we are again, and we're going to be telling another story about Desmond. If you remember, Desmond is a dragon, but I haven't got 5 dragons in my house to tell the story with me. So I've had to ask some of my cuddly toys to be actors and actresses. So 5 bears are going to pretend to be Desmond, Duncan, Delia, Mummy and Daddy. And in the story we also have a dog, but that's easy because I do have a dog. Now this story is called Desmond and the Seatbelt. Do you know what a seatbelt is? I'm going to give you a clue. When I go in a car, I have to put on my seatbelt, and that stops me going forward. That's the seatbelt. This girl is wearing a seatbelt, isn't she? Now, when you go in a car, do you always wear a seatbelt? I hope so. Even if you're just going round the block, you should wear a seatbelt. But Desmond, he didn't believe that. And you're going to see what happened to him the day that Desmond didn't put on his seatbelt. Okay, so meet the actors and actresses. First of all, we have Daddy. Sit down, Daddy. Then we have Mummy. Mummy is going to do the driving today. Then we have Desmond. Then Desmond's brother, Duncan. And then the little girl, the little sister. Oh, you're looking the wrong way. Delia. Okay? Now, if the story is Desmond and the seatbelt, where do you think they are? Do you think they're at the cinema? No. Do you think they're on the sofa watching television? No. They're in a car. Okay? So we're going to tell you the story. And you can read it with me if you've got the book. And if not, you can just follow it. So, let's look. Mummy put on her seatbelt. Clunk, click, every trip. Daddy put on his seatbelt. Clunk, click, every trip. Mummy put on Delia's seatbelt. La, 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 la. Remember, Delia's only a baby. She can hardly talk. Then Duncan put on his seatbelt. Clunk, click, every trip. But oh dear, Desmond didn't put on his seatbelt. They started driving. This is the way we drive along, drive along, drive along. This is the way we drive along on a sunny morning. Suddenly, a dog ran across the road. Mummy pulled on the brake. Mummy was stopped by the seatbelt. Daddy was stopped by the seatbelt. Delia was stopped by the seatbelt. Duncan was stopped by the seatbelt, but oh dear, Desmond flew forward and bumped his head on Daddy's car seat. Ow! From then on, Desmond decided he'd always wear his seatbelt. And I hope you do too. You're going to get your seatbelt and put it on with me? Are you ready? Clunk, click, every trip. Clunk, click, last time and then it's you. Clunk, click, every trip. Can you do it now? Well done. I hope you don't have the same misadventure as Desmond. Bye-bye.